Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a message on Instagram while using your PC, this guide is for you. With the latest Instagram update, enabling notifications for messages is easier than ever. Here's how you can turn on message notifications step by step. Start by opening Instagram in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. At the very bottom, you'll see the More icon. It looks like 3 dots or lines. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can control all your Instagram preferences. On the Settings page, look for the Notifications option and click on it. Inside the Notifications section, you'll see several options. What you want is Push Notifications. Click on this to open up all the push notification settings available for your account. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Messages from Individual and Group Chats. Here, you'll see options to customize how you receive notifications for your Instagram messages. To make sure you get notified every time someone sends you a message, select On. That's it. You've now enabled notifications for messages on Instagram while using your PC. With this setting turned on, you'll receive alerts for both individual and group chat messages, so you can stay connected and respond quickly no matter where you are. Remember, if you ever want to adjust your notification preferences, just head back to the same Settings menu and make any changes you need. This new update makes it simple to stay in the loop and never miss an important conversation. Thanks for tuning in. Now you're all set to keep up with your messages on Instagram right from your computer. Happy chatting!